Hi friends, once again welcome to my electronics lecture series. This is Ashok Zado welcomes you. We have been studying instruction set for 8085 and almost we have finished that group of instruction. Only 3-4 instructions are left and that are not frequently required. So today we are switching to the next group, that is arithmetic group. As the name suggests, the instruction belonging to this group perform some arithmetic operation on the 8-bit data quantity. You remember one thing, that all the instructions in this group will affect all the flags register, that is according to their condition, because you are performing some operation and that will reflect it into the flag status, and we require the flag status for decision making the programming. So first instruction will be the add instructions. So today we shall see three basic instructions: add register, add memory, and add immediate. Using these three instructions, you will be able to add content of any CPU register to accumulator, or content of any particular memory location to the accumulator, or you can add your own byte, that is 8-bit data, to the accumulator. So let us move to that. Friends, let us study arithmetic group of instruction. And before going to the first instruction, uh, please make it a note that all the instruction from this group affects all the flag, because in arithmetic we are going to perform some operation, we are going to have some results. Result is always placed into accumulator, and all the flags are affected according to their condition: zero flag, carry flag, auxiliary flag, all that. So let us consider the first instruction. ADD R is the any CPU register, so it means add register to accumulator. So content of specified CPU registers are added to the content of accumulator, and result is placed into the accumulator. See the mnemonic ADD. ADD reminds that the operation must be addition, and what is to be added is the specified by this CPU register. This R can be anything, that is A, B, C, D, E, H and L. For addition we require two operands. दो डेटा का ॲडिशन होत आहे, तो एक जो अजेंड आहे जिसमें मिलाना है, ज्यामध्ये आपल्याला मिळवायचं आहे, दॅट इज ॲज्युम फ्रॉम द ॲक्युमुलेटर. जे मिळवायचं आहे दॅट इज स्पेसिफाईड बाय दिस रेजिस्टर, अँड वॉट एवर सम इज प्रोड्यूस दॅट इज प्लेस इन टू द ॲक्युमुलेटर. सो इफ यू हॅव समथिंग लाईक दिस, लेट अस कन्सिडर accumulator has say 32 hex and some register C has say 12 hex, and you are executing the instruction add C. This is the instruction and we want to study its effect. What is this instruction? Add C. Add C means content of register C. See that instead of R we have C here, are added to the accumulator, and result is placed into the accumulator. So what will be the result? Result will be, see that when you add 32 hex and 12 hex, in addition you must be knowing that this is 32 is called as a agent, something to which we are adding, and 12 is called as addend, and what you get is the sum. This is the agent, this is addend. जिसमें मिलाना है उसे agent कहेंगे, जो मिलाना है उसको addend कहेंगे, और रिजल्ट को sum कहेंगे. So 2 plus 2 that is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4 in hexadecimal. This is the result. So the after execution of this instruction, accumulator will hold 4 hex. This is how this instruction can be used, and any register can be used. So you can use this instruction for adding content of any CPU register. Any CPU register. You can even say that add A. In that case, accumulator will be added to the accumulator itself and result will be placed into accumulator. So with this instruction you can add content of any register to the accumulator. मतलब ये इंस्ट्रक्शन से आप माइक्रो प्रोसेसर से दो नंबर, दो 8-bit नंबर ऐड करा सकते हैं. So condition is that the one number agent should be in the accumulator and the addend should be in register. So next instruction is add M, and you can easily understand that wherever there is M, it is always pointed by HL pair. So add memory to accumulator. Means this content of memory location is added to the accumulator and sum will be placed into the accumulator. So using this instruction you can add content of any memory location to accumulator and you will get the result into the accumulator. That means how to write this symbolic description. H and L holds the 16-bit address of memory location. So this is the content of memory location pointed by HL pair are added to the accumulator and result is always placed into accumulator. So here you should take the care what is there in HL pair. HL pair should hold the address of the data of your interest. आपको जो नंबर जिस मेमोरी लोकेशन को ऐड करना है उसका एड्रेस आपको पता चाहिए एंड दैट शुड बी प्री लोडेड इनटू द HL pair, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल if you have HL as C525 hex, that means this is 16-bit content, and say for example accumulator has 15 hex and you are saying that add M. So with these instructions what will happen, and in memory you need to consider what is there in that particular location. Memory location जिसका पत्ता that means जिसका एड्रेस C525 है उसमें क्या है, you need to consider it, say 32H hex. So after executing this instruction, see that content of memory location pointed by HL pair. HL is pointing now C525. This is C525 which has data of 32. This 32 will get added to the accumulator which has a 15 and the result will be say 15 plus 32. So that is 7 and 4 hex. So result will be, that means accumulator after execution accumulator will hold 47 hex. So using this instruction you can add content of memory location. मेमोरी माइक्रोप्रोसेसर से बाहर रहती है, रैम. पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन में कंटेंट ऑफ CPU रजिस्टर का एडिशन एक्यूमुलेटर को, यहाँ मेमोरी लोकेशन का एडिशन एक्यूमुलेटर में, राइट. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन. देन वी हैव थर्ड एनवायरमेंट. तीसरा प्रकार जो है, if you are interested you want to add your own number ADI DATA. See that AD indicates addition, I for immediate and data. This is the second byte of the instruction. So byte 2 which is provided immediately after this mnemonic, that will be added to the accumulator and result will be placed into the accumulator. So how to read this? Add immediate data to accumulator. So you can specify whatever number you want to add in the byte 2 of the instruction, that will be added to accumulator and sum is placed into accumulator. सी द डिफरेंस। पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन में रजिस्टर का कंटेंट ऐड होता था, दूसरे इंस्ट्रक्शन में मेमोरी लोकेशन का कंटेंट ऐड होगा, और ये तीसरी इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है इसमें आप नंबर प्रोवाइड करेंगे, योर ओन नंबर, आपके दिल में जो है वो नंबर आप एक्यूमुलेटर में ऐड कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ADI 05 hex, this is the instruction. That means you are specifying, giving the number directly, immediately after this. So this immediate data will be added to the accumulator. For example, accumulator has 06H and you are executing this instruction. So what will happen? So accumulator, that is a 06 hex, and immediate data, that is a 05H. It is provided in the instruction. So 05 hex, this will be added. 6 plus 5, that is 11, and in hexadecimal 11 is written as B. So this is the result, and once again the result will be in accumulator 0B hex. This is how you can add any 8-bit number to any other 8-bit number. So friends, I'm sure that you have understood these addition instructions. Add register, add memory, and add immediate. And by studying them, you can easily use them in program for adding the two 8-bit numbers. So it is time to stop. Love you all. Bye.